Welcome to the Freedom product video for the Wayne Proportional Valve Repair Kit for field rebuild of the 4-bolt and 8-bolt proportional valves commonly used on Wayne fuel dispensers equipped with iMeter, iMeter 2, and X-Flow meters, compatible with fuels up to E15 and diesel up to B5. Let's get started. Remove the 4 screws that hold the valve together and all of the components listed below. You won't be needing these parts anymore. You can throw them all away. If possible, scrub and dry the valve before rebuilding. Now, start with a clean valve and our new rebuild kit. Use our inbox QR code to find installation resources. Use the Rebuild It parts to assemble the valve. Install the 4 screws that hold the valve together. Assembly takes less than 5 minutes. Here is a list of compatible valves, including standard valves as well as nickel-plated valves for use in E15 and B5. Thanks for choosing Freedom Electronics. Freedom to innovate, power to solve.